Hello and welcome to the online edition of Nightwatch for December 2023. My name is Bill, coming to you from the Sudekum Planetarium here at Adventure Science Center in Nashville. And as always, we'll start off with the moon phases for this month. The moon will be at last quarter on the 4th, new moon, or invisible, on the 12th, first quarter moon on the 19th, followed by the full moon for the month on December 26th. The winter solstice happens this month, and that will occur on Thursday, December 21st at 9:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, marking the official beginning of the winter season in the Northern Hemisphere, but because of the Earth's tilt, it's the official beginning of summertime for those who live south of the equator. Looking at planets this month, we find that in the evening sky we still have the planets Jupiter and Saturn, the two gas giants of the outer solar system that we can easily see. Saturn is setting over in the southwestern sky during the later evening hours, and we find the thin crescent moon will be passing by the planet Saturn on the evening of December 17th. Jupiter is high, nearly overhead, by around 8 p.m. in the evening, and the moon will be passing by the planet Jupiter on December 21st and the 22nd. In the morning sky, the planet Venus continues to reside in the southeast, but it is getting lower and lower this month. Just before dawn in the southeastern sky, the very thin crescent moon will be passing to the right of the planet Venus on the morning of December 9th. Looking in our evening skies at the stars, we find that the constellation Pegasus, the flying horse in Greek mythology, will be heading toward the western sky. Notice the four stars that make a square shape that marks the body of the flying horse, and then rising high in the eastern sky is the constellation Taurus the Bull, with the famous Pleiades or Seven Sisters star cluster, which most people think looks like a small cup shape in that part of the sky, and the V-shaped group of stars in the head of Taurus is known as the Hyades cluster, and it is marked by the orange-colored star named Aldebaran, which means Eye of the Bull. Rising in the southeastern sky by around 8 p.m. this month is the famous winter constellation of Orion. Orion the Hunter is the most dominant constellation of the winter sky and is recognized by the 7 bright stars that mark the outline of his body. 3 stars in a row mark Orion's famous belt. Also this month, we have one of the most beautiful meteor showers of the year, and one of the more spectacular ones. The annual Geminid Meteor Shower produces many meteors between the mornings of December 12th through the 16th, but peaking on the morning of December 14th. This meteor shower is best seen between about 11 p.m. and sunrise. It emanates from the constellation Gemini the Twins, which is to the upper left of the constellation Orion the Hunter. Now, the best place to observe the annual Geminid meteor shower is away from the city and suburban lights, when anywhere between 60 to 120 plus meteors per hour may be visible. In light-polluted areas, such as Nashville and nearby suburbs, we can expect between 30 and 60 per hour, which is still a fairly good number considering light pollution usually wipes out most fainter meteor showers. But again, skies need to be clear to give you the best view, and no bright moonlight this year will not contribute to any moon light pollution, so this year could give you a very spectacular view of the Geminid meteor shower. Now again, the best place to be is far away from city lights with the widest area of the sky that you can see. The meteors will all be emanating away from the constellation Gemini, and once again, the meteor shower is best seen between 11 p.m. and sunrise. And the best time would be about 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning. So if you have the chance to get out during those late nights and early mornings, between December 12th through the 16th, you might catch a glimpse of some beautiful Geminid meteors. Now don't forget, If you can't remember everything I've mentioned in this online edition of Nightwatch, you can also grab a copy of our monthly star chart online at our website, adventuresci.org/starcharts. And also, we hope you can come visit us here at the Sudekum Planetarium in Adventure Science Center. During the month of December, of course, we have our regular theatrical version of Nightwatch, our live sky show in the planetarium. Also this month we are presenting Polaris for the younger crowd, and also our show Incoming. Also this month we present Laser Holidays on December 16th, 17th, and 23rd, where you can enjoy some holiday and winter songs under the dazzling planetarium sky with some beautiful laser lights. Remember, the Science Center will be closed on December 24th and 25th. And from all of us here at the Sudekum Planetarium and Adventure Science Center, I wish you all a great holiday season and a peaceful new year. And again, we hope you can join us here at the Planetarium and the Science Center. Again, my name is Bill, coming to you from the Sudekum Planetarium here at Adventure Science Center. And until next year, I wish you clear skies.